You have probably opened Cursor, typed something like build me a login page, and waited for the magic, only to end up fixing half-broken React app with missing imports, poor styling, and weird folder names. But here is the truth. Cursor isn't broken. We just don't talk the cursor the way it understands best. When you plan your prompt, set clear rules, and collaborate with the AI, Cursor feels like a senior developer sitting right beside you. Today, I'll show you both the sides, the chaotic, unplanned side and structured, rule-based side. By end of this video, you will understand exactly how to make AI code like a pro, not a guesser. Let's type in the same prompt, build a Todo app in React, and hit enter. Sure, it gives you something, but no TypeScript, no structure, no comments, no folder organization the way you intended. And it's just like telling your friend, hey, make dinner, without saying what is the cuisine you like, how many people will eat, and when it's needed. AI needs clarity, not chaos. Here is the same request, but with structure. You are a senior React developer. Task is to build simple Todo app in React using functional components. Rules: use TypeScript. Keep folder structure clean. Components, hooks, utils. Styled with Tailwind CSS. Add clear comments and keep the code modular and readable. Boom! There is structure, clarity, documentation. It understands how you think because you guided with context. Without rules, messy. With rules, organized. Without rules, no comments. With rules, clear explanation. Without rules feels like code generated. With rules feels like code written by developer. Cursor doesn't make you better, it amplifies the developer you already are. Okay, let's go bigger. Now let's plan first and then implement. Build a dashboard for user and admin with charts and authentication. Okay, here is my script. Let me go ahead, instead of the agent option, let me go ahead and select the plan option. Now let me give this prompt. The tech stack, I'm clearly talking about React, TypeScript, Tailwind, and recharts. Page, login, admin dashboard, user dashboard. Authentication, basic JWT based mock flow. Features, user dashboard, show activity charts. Admin dashboard, manage user rules. Use functional components, add router-based navigation, mock API data for the demo. Now you can review this plan first and understand how the planning is coming. Is it meeting your requirements? And then you can hit the build button to start implementing the plan. And if you want any corrections to your plan, add some more features, you can go ahead and do that. When you plan your prompt like this, you are not coding alone. You are leading a small AI dev team. See the result that it is being generating? Cursor isn't just code generation, it's AI powered workspace. Here are some golden prompt tips that will change your Cursor experience forever. Tip number 1, always define 3 things: role, task, rules. Example, you are a senior React developer. Task, build sign up flow rules. Keep the UI clean, reusable and well maintained. Tip number 2. Ask cursor to plan before coding. Like this. Plan the folder structure first, then generate code for step 1 only. So you can create a plan, follow it through step 1, step 2, step 3 and so on. Tip number 3. Break big requests into micro components, such as first create structure, now add API logic, now style it, because your original plan holds these to-dos in an individual items so that you can program with context in a step-by-step manner. Give cursor coding style once and reuse it. That's how you build consistent output. These rules and rule files that you added to your workspace will help you do that. Remember, the more predictable you are, the smarter it gets. The secret to mastering cursor isn't about shortcuts, fancy prompts, it's about communication. Don't say build this, say plan this, follow these rules, build step by step. When you do that, cursor stops being generator and becomes a collaborator. So next time you open up the cursor, don't rush to code, pause, plan, prompt, and then watch your AI code exactly like you imagined. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying these prompts, tag me. Let's build smarter, not harder.